How to add music to your Instagram post with your multiple photos. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add music to your Instagram photos in your multiple posts. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Play Store or the App Store that you are using, and you have to go in your search bar and search for the Instagram. Now once you are in, you just have to click on it and update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, you just have to go back and open up your Instagram application. So now once you are in here, you have to click on this plus icon to create a post, and here is the many option like the post, story, reel and the live. So you have to select the post, and here you have to select the photos that you want to add in your Instagram post. And after that, you just have to click on this next icon, and here you can edit your post as you want. And as you can see that here in the top there is the music icon, you just have to click on it, and from here you can add the music that you want to add, or you can also search the music or search from your browse that you want to add. So once you select your music, you just have to click on it, and here you have to select the favorite part that you want to add in your post. And after selecting the part that you want to add, you just have to click on the done, and you have to click on the next, and you just have to click on the share. So once you share your post, you just have to wait for it to posting your post in your Instagram, and you just have to refresh it. And that's how you can add any music in your post in your Instagram with your multiple photos. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.